So, alright guys, in this video, I'm going to teach you guys the mindset you need to have when you're selling to somebody, okay? This is one of the most important videos in this course and a big life lesson in general because sales is everywhere and you want to go into life, into sales, into business, into marketing with this kind of mindset, okay? And this mindset is the abundance mindset. When you are on a sales calls, when you're trying to sell to someone, you have to be abundant. What do I mean by abundant? You do not chase clients. You do not force sell it. You do not hard sell it. You got to understand that they are doing, you are doing them a favor by offering your service, right? You are never needy with it. You're never going to chase someone because you know that they need you more than you need them. At the end of the day, they have a problem in their business and you have a solution. So what is going to happen is, you're going to provide that solution to the problem they have. So like I said, guys, when you are not needy, and let's say you're on a sales call, right? If you're always like forcing to sell, that's not bad. People can sense that and they don't want to work with someone that is needy. And that also relates to real life. Girls don't want to be with needy guys. A lot of people don't like the guy that does everything for them, right? So do not be needy. That's number one thing. And remember, you are doing them a favor by offering your service. Like I've said before, leverage and positioning is a big thing when you're selling. When you hard sell, it ruins your image and your positioning because you are known as someone that's very needy. And people go around and tell people, man, like, hey man, this guy was like, very pushy during sales calls. You do not want to do that. You never want to lower your positioning by being needy or by always trying to hard sell and really chase after that client, because like I said, it ruins your image and your positioning. You never so if there's a time where a client is not going for it and you got to be pushy, let them understand that it's you're doing them a favor by offering them the service, right? So if you're gonna be like pushy, whatever, like people don't respect that. That's number one thing you gotta remember. People don't respect someone who hard sells, who's pushy, who's needy, right? So you want to get that respect. So you can decline the call, but as I said, man, like be abundant because there's so many different sales calls that you can go to. There's so many other people that can be your clients. So never be needy towards one. Never ruin your standards, your positioning, and the value that the value you bring to the table by being needy. Don't ruin it. Don't ever chase clients. Don't ever hard sell. Don't always be like, hey, listen, please, can we work together? Don't bother someone. Let them come to you. And that happens when you just don't care. That's in life. Just don't care, and everything that you want will get attracted to you. Okay, so in this video, I guess is a quick one. The mindset, I guess, quick recap: be abundant. Know that it's a favor that you are doing to them by offering them the service, and never ruin your positioning or your image. Remember, you are doing them the favor. Anyway, guys, I'll see you guys later. Hope you guys have a great day. Peace out. Love you.